Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm back. So in the last video, if you watched it, you know I was looking at this trade. I saw an entry I liked and I just jumped in. I'm about to take TP. I'll show you that quickly, and then I explain to you why again I jumped into this. So let's just see, can we milk this a little bit? Let's see the close of this candle, 2 minutes. No, I'm okay there. That's 1% on the count there with that scalp. And yes, let's get into why. Let's see, where's our main TP though? I want it to be this low, so let's just set that first. That's 9.17.8. Okay, so 9.17.8. Okay, set that low here. Alright. 1 second, people. Live trade and all that. Need to make sure I'm seeing things correct. Okay, so following on from what I was saying in the last video, very similar setup. I just didn't get the entry I wanted, which was up here, right? So London session, it seems to be respecting the highs. Okay, so what we had in the Asian session here, we had a consolidation. It pulled up and tagged into here. This was the entry I wanted based off this pole out. Okay, so this is the reversal. That's the first flag. So that's the first pole, that's a flag, and this pole broke structure. Okay, so I expect this price to come back here, and I was looking for an entry. I set a pending order last night while I was asleep before I went to bed, and as you can see, I just missed it, and my entry was based on this resistance points, if you like, this key area, this key price point there. Okay, it should have been there. Hold on, it should have been there. If it was based on this, I would not have missed the move. Or better yet, if it was based on this, which is what I normally target, I would not have missed the move. But for some reason last night I wasn't paying attention. It was quite late before I went to bed. Or actually no, do you know what it is? This is because I've been watching other YouTubers and they're saying the best entry is there. That got into my head, and I was looking for a better entry because this would have been a better entry than my point, because this is a big zone here. This is 27 pips, so I was trying to look for a better entry based on this, which would have given me a 24 pip risk. But as you can see, you know, yeah, I missed the move. Okay, so yeah, not happy about that. So I'm gonna stick to what works for me. That would have been my entry point, people. You know this. You see me talk about it a few times. Consolidation, push up from here. Where did it push up from? This last low. Price came and broke that low, pulls up, respecting this high, and pulls back down. That's our reversal. So when price comes back to this pivot point where it broke that low, you can see it here. It's a key price area. Look how many times it was touched. When price comes back there, that should have been my entry in the Asian session. Okay, and now I would expect it to go and beat this last high. Okay, so that would be our first pole. That's our first flag. That's our second pole. This is a flag, believe it or not. It looks very odd, but this is a flag, and we expect this to go down now and beat that. So that's what I would expect. I had a lot of size on because I wanted it for a quick scalp. I've taken that scalp, and I'm going to leave the runner to see where it goes. Okay, I'm still in the JPY move, by the way. It's still running, still looking good. I don't know how much money I made today. At least 5,000. No, at least $1,000 so far this morning. Not a bad start. And that's it. So let's look at. So that's a trade. You can see why I got into it. It here on the Asian session, if you like, we're consolidating, pushes up, comes down. So that's our flag. So our pole. Our first flag, our second pole. So we expect price to pull back in here, and we're looking for entry based on this guy here. As I was doing the other video and talking, this price was around there. I had a look at it. It was a good entry, so I entered there to drive it and beat this low. That's my scalp, just to beat this low. I've taken my the bulk of my sides off, and I've left the runner to run down here. I do expect it actually to go a lot further. But this is the London session. This is the start of the London session. It's not the best price point for the London session, and then New York session. I expect New York session to potentially come, run everyone out here, tap into this one more time before it goes down. We don't know, but that's what New York sessions tend to do. That's why I've scalped this move. Where do I expect this to go? I expect it to go down here. Okay, so this should be my main TP. So you know what? I've got nothing to lose here. I've already made the. I've already taken made money off the move I wanted. Let's just now leave the runner to see if it wants to go, and if it does, that's $700. Okay, so I'm risking here $32, so I'm risking 3 pips, and I'm trying to make 70 pips from this move. I'm likely to get stopped at that. My runners always get stopped at. I'm likely to get stopped at. That should be my exit here. But I've already made money off this move. I'm happy to leave a runner to see, because price can pull back into this zone, yeah, multiple times before it heads all the way down there. This is a Monday. Mondays are usually slow, choppy, consolidating price action before a news catalyst or New York session starts, and Tuesday might be when this gets down to the TP that I want, which is all the way down there. Regardless, I've scalped it, I've made my money. That's TP. I've scalped it, I made my money, and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna stop now. Okay, I'm done. 2 trades today, made about $1,000. I'm good for the day, and I'm gonna go about my business. I've got other things to do today. So it's a really good start. I've only been trading for maybe 20 minutes. Where we're in London session, it's about 50 minutes in London session, but I've taken 2 trades. Did one within the first 5 minutes of London session, done that video, then I just spotted this as I was doing the video, took this trade. So maybe about 20 minutes of work, $1,000, 2 trades. I'm very happy with that, can't complain. So I'm gonna keep it that simple, try to do this all the way through this week, and we're gonna see how it goes. Because I've actually moved to trade on my laptop, haven't done that for a while. So let's see if this is a more consistent, productive behavior, and if it is, I'm gonna stick to the laptop, and you can see more live trades. Okay, so hope you appreciate this. If you have, you know what to do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, support the channel, and I keep getting these videos out. If I do get stopped out, which I probably will, I'm moving to break even. I'm moving break even. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. So if I do get stopped out, it's a free trade anyway. Okay, so it's all good. If it doesn't, if the runner runs, that's another $700. Okay, I'm gonna sign out now. This is Patrick signing out, and until next time, peace.